Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready, open the form and go straight into edit mode. Once there, locate the 6-dot handle at a question's top left, drag it vertically to reposition that single item. Make sections when you plan to move several questions together. Sections act like movable folders, so you'll only need to relocate one block instead of many. This saves time and keeps flow intact. Also, make sure to name sections clearly. That helps you spot where to drop content as you rearrange the form. Once done with single moves, tackle larger changes. Drag section headers to move whole groups at once. This preserves question order inside each block. If you need a backup while experimenting, duplicate a question before moving it, then delete the original once you confirm placement. Make sure to refine headings and short descriptions so each section's purpose is obvious to respondents. When rearranging, pause and preview the form. That confirms logical flow and that any conditional go-to-section rules still point to the right targets. To finish, preview the form and click through every path, confirm conditional jumps go to the expected sections, and verify question order reads naturally. If dragging or moving behaves oddly, refresh the page first, then try a different browser or disable extensions that might block drag and drop. Make sure section titles are explicit so you can quickly spot misplaced content and move it. If a problem persists, duplicate the section and rebuild it in the new spot. Then delete the broken version. That often restores the intended sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.